Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to offset entities. Offset is used to create a copy of your geometry at a distance. So let's first select a plane, say top plane. And sketch. Let's draw a corner rectangle. And give it some fillets. Now we will look at the Offset Entities option. Select any side in the curve. Add Dimensions is auto-selected. So it will add dimensions when we close the tab. If we select Reverse, it will draw the offset in the opposite direction. Select Bidirectional if you want to create an offset on both sides, like this. OK. Let's create another rectangle. Go to Offset Entities. Now see, if you select the center line, then this command will create an offset for each and every entity separately. See, if you uncheck Bidirectional, the offset will be created in an unorderly manner. In this case, you need to select each entity separately. Let's sketch another rectangle. Just exit from the sketch first. Now let's select Offset Entities. And choose a side from the main curve. If you select Bidirectional, it will create an offset in both directions. Here you can see another option, Make Base Construction. If you select this, your main curve will become just a construction line. This is how you can create an offset in a very easy manner. Let's take a circle. Reverse direction, and choose the desired offset distance. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.